I chose to come to New England Tech because I was getting out of the service. I kind of wanted to just get on with my career, change careers, get back to work. The veteran coordinator here was fantastic. We just filled out paperwork. I think it took about an hour to do everything. She answered every question I had intelligently. It makes you feel good when you have that type of welcome to a school. One thing that's great about this school is, in addition to accepting the GI Bill, they offer the yellow ribbon matching, which really helps out. Being in the military, I was very much a hands-on learner. So here, we really focus on hands-on skills and getting ready for actually doing the job, as opposed to book work and theory about how different things work, but just really knowing how to do your job when you're ready to get out of college. When you talk about schools that are very hands-on, people just think certifications. New England Tech, unlike those schools, you will get a degree. So I think it kind of puts you ahead, because there are people that get degrees, but they don't focus on the hands-on like we do. I think we're kind of the best of both worlds.